on this video today, I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can use to make up to $100 per day with CPA marketing. This is a beginner friendly method, so make sure you watch till the end so that I will show you all the steps that you need to follow to make the money for free without investing any money and without any experience. So if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. As you can see, this is my dashboard on CPA Grip. CPA Grip is one of the CPA marketing platforms that you can create an account and then get CPA offers to promote so that you can make money from home. So what you are going to do is that you are going to find a product to promote so that you can earn a commission anytime you get people to take action on the product that you are promoting. CPA offers, you don't need to get people to buy the product, you only need them to sign up with their emails or enter their telephone number so that you can earn a commission anytime you get people to take those specific actions. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to search for a product so that you can promote. To search for a product, you are going to come to offer tools and then click on that. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to click on my offers so that you can get different offers to promote. Once you click on offers, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, there are a lot of products here that I can promote. You can see this one right here. If I promote this product and then I get people to install a mobile app, I'm going to earn $2.90 per every installation. You can see many other products, but when you scroll up, you can see that the CPA offers are country specific. So it means you have to get people from a specific country to sign up for a product or to install the product so that you can earn the commission that the product owner is going to give you. So all these products that you are seeing right here, I have to promote these products to people in Singapore. So you must take note of that. So what you are going to do is that you have to come here and then filter the countries that you want. So maybe you have traffic from any of these countries, you can just select that country so that you can get products to promote. So you have to select any of these countries that you want. So once you select the country, you can get products, but in this video I'm going to show you a specific product that you can select and then make money for free without investing any money. So what you are going to do is that you are going to search for the United States. So United States has most of the offers that pay higher commission, so you have to search for United States or UK or any tier 1 country. Those are the places that you can get offers that you are going to earn higher commission when you get people to sign up or install the products. So we are going to click on United States. So as you can see, once you search for the United States, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money. As you can see, this product right here, mobile install. So the people have to install a game so that you can earn $2.39. As you can see, a whole lot of them. You can see this one here. Your audience have to enter their email and zip so that you can earn $2.05, and they have to do that on a desktop. So what I usually do is that I select products that are mobile phone friendly and products that are allowed on all mobile devices. So as you can see, this one here, it is allowed on all mobile devices. You can see it's email and zip submit. It does not involve any installation of an app, so it's easy to get people to enter their email and zip so that you can earn the commission right here, $2.39. So what you are going to do is you are going to search for offers like that so that you can get people to sign up for the offers for you to earn a commission. As you can see right here, this product is the one that I usually like to promote. You can see get $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. This is one of the offers that a lot of people like. So you can see it is allowed on all mobile phones. You can see that your audience have to submit their email and zip so that you can earn $2.57. So this is a great product that you can promote to earn money on CPA Grip. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to click on the product. Once you click on the product, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, this is the title of the product. You can see the specifications. You can see this is your update link. You can see the warning right here. It is allowed on mobile devices. You can see you are allowed to only promote it in the United States. So now what you are going to do is that you have to start promoting the product so that you can get people to sign up for the offer for you to earn a commission anytime they do so. So I'm going to show you the traffic source that you can use to promote this product. As you can see on your screen right now, the website that you can use to promote the offer for free gets up to 96% of its traffic from the United States. You can see 1% is from Russia. You can see 0.92% is coming from UK. You can see 0.89% is coming from Sri Lanka. You can see Jordan, and then 0 from the rest. So you can see that nearly 100% of the traffic is coming from the United States. So it is good we promote the product on that platform, because we are going to get people from the United States to sign up for the offers. So this is a great platform that you can use, and most importantly, you don't need to even pay for anything. Everything is free. So make sure you keep on watching, so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website. So the website that we are going to be using to promote the offer is Quantum Saveless. This is a great website that you can use to promote your offer for free. You are not going to pay for anything. Everything is free. So what you need to do is that you have to click on join free, so that you can create your free accounts without paying anything. So once you click on that, you are going to get a page like this. So make sure you keep on watching, because there's something unique here that I need to show you, so that you can create your accounts. So as you can see right here, you have to enter your first name, your last name, contact email address, enter list email address. These two emails have to be different. If you use the same email, you are not going to be accepted on this website. So make sure you enter a different email here and another different email here. So you have to use two different emails to sign up for an account. So once you enter your two different emails, just click on join, and you are going to get your free accounts, so that you can promote your products for free on this website. So let me log into my account, so that I will show you how to run your ads for free. So once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, there are a lot of things that you can do here, so that you can get free traffic to your affiliate link. So for example, you can run banner ads, so that you get free traffic to your affiliate link. So when I click on banner ads right here, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see everything here, you are going to give a title to your campaign. You are also going to enter the banner email link. You are going to enter your affiliate link right here, and you are going to enter the number of points. So it means the number of people that you want to reach on this website. So once you enter that, you are going to click on submit and check banner. Another way is that you are going to select text ads. So once you click on text ads, you are also going to run ads for your affiliate link without paying for anything. So once you click on text ads, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, what you are going to do is that you are going to enter the name of your campaign. You are also going to enter the subject, the description 1, description 2. You are going to enter your destination link, that is your affiliate link. Once you enter that, you are also going to enter the number of points, that means the number of people you want to reach. So once that is done, you are going to click on submit, so that you can submit your ad. Another way is that you are going to select member mailer. So you are going to select the member mailer. So once you click on that, you are going to send an email to members on this platform. So there are people who are members of this platform, so you are going to send an email to them promoting your product to them. So what you are going to do is that you are going to enter the subject line. Once you enter the subject, you are going to enter the content of your email right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your link here. So that will be your affiliate link, and you are going to get people to view your link and then click through it, so that you can get them to take action on the product that you are promoting. So you can also insert your link in the body here. So let's say I have my text here, you can just highlight it and then click on this link, and you are going to enter your affiliate link here, so that your affiliate link will be part of the body of the email. It's just simple as that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run one of these ads, so that you can see, and when you create your accounts, you can also follow the same steps to run ads for free on this platform. So I'm going to use the text ads, so that I will demonstrate for you to see, but you can run the banner ads, you can also run member mailer, and you are going to get people. The solo ads you need to buy, so don't touch that. So if you want free, don't touch this solo ads, because if you click on it, you need to buy ad credits so that you can run solo ads. So we are not going to select that option. We want the free option, so that we can get people to click through our affiliate link. So once you click on the text ads, you are going to see a page like this. So here we are going to enter the title of our campaign. So here is, let's just type PayPal money. So this is where we are going to enter the title of our product. So here, when you go back to CPA group, you can get the title of our product and then enter here. So when you come back to CPA grip. This is the title of the product, so we are going to highlight and copy it as our subject line. So just highlight it, copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back to your ad. You are going to paste it right here. Once you enter the subject, you are going to enter your first description here. So let's enter that. So you are going to come back to CPA grip and then copy this information as your description. So you just highlight this one right here, highlight it. You are going to come back to the ad. Once you come back to the ad, you are going to paste it as your description right here. So just say enter your information. The second description, you are going to type something like when PayPal gift card for free. The second description, you are going to type a text like this. Once that is done, you are now going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to go back to CPA grip, copy your affiliate link and then paste it here. Once you come back to CPA grip, you are going to copy your affiliate link right here. So you just click on copy link so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to your ad and you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So once that is done, you are going to enter the ad credit here. So I'm going to enter all the free credits so that we can get up to 200 people to click through our affiliate link, and if they like the offer, they can sign up and we are going to be earning money on CPA grip. So what we are going to do is that we are going to enter all the credit right here. Just enter all the credit, 200 credits. Once you enter that, you are going to just click on submit and check text ad. So once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is the ad and you can see everything right here. So as you can see everything, the affiliate link is right here. If there is any information that is missing right here, you are going to click on go back so that you can edit your ad, but there is nothing wrong here. All the information that I need to enter, I have entered that, so I don't need to go back and edit. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on submit text ad so that your ad will be live on this platform for free. You can see your text ad has been accepted for approval, so it is going to be live on the platform and you are going to be getting people to sign up for the offers. You can see you can run another ad and you are still going to get people to click through your affiliate link and you are going to get a lot of them to sign up for the offer for you to earn money. So you can just repeat the process so that you can get people to click through your affiliate link. As I said earlier on, you can also use member mailer and you are going to be getting people to sign up for the offer for you to earn money on CPA grip. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.